Hey, it's Jerry Levinson at Carpets of Arizona, and in this video we want to give you an idea of what it costs for new carpet. So I'm going to start off with carpet that we carry in stock. It's good for rental houses and great when you're selling your house. So we have a few carpets here for you to choose from that are very popular when you're selling your house. We also have the Home Seller Dream program. You can do it for $100 down, pay the balance when the house is sold. On this, I would budget $250 to $350 a square foot. Okay. So next is carpet that if you are going to live there for 3 to 5 years, and then you plan on selling the house or renting the house, I would budget somewhere in between $3 and $5 a square foot for that carpet. Something that you're going to be able to clean up real well and then sell the house or rent the house out, whatever your goals are. Now, if you got a busier, active family and you're going to live there for maybe 8 to 10 years, then we have carpet that I would budget somewhere around $5 a square foot for good quality carpet. And when I give you a price, that's all inclusive. So tear out, new pad, the full works, lifetime guarantee on the install. Here's some soft silk carpet. This is budget around $6.50, $7 a square foot. Okay, over here we have our most popular carpet, and with over 200 square feet, you can get a 15 to 20% discount. Now, this is Bolera and really good for an active household. And then if you want something that's unique and gorgeous, the Tough Tech Signature Series is another good selection for area rugs and really high quality, just beautiful carpets to choose from. So, and the prices are all over the board from $8 to $15 a square foot. Again, all inclusive and installed. So when you're ready to find carpet, purchase carpet, come on down to Carpets of Arizona and we'll help you choose the right carpet for your home.